Adding a debit card to your Lloyds bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you complete it successfully. Step 1. Log into your online banking. Visit the Lloyds Bank website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once logged in, look for the Card Management or Manage Cards section in the main menu. This is where you can add or manage your debit cards. Step 3. Select Add a new card. In the Card Management section, find the option to add a new card. Click on this option to begin the process of adding your debit card. Step 4. Enter card details. You will be prompted to enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to input this information accurately. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your card details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Submit button to finalize the addition of your debit card. Now you have successfully added your debit card to your Lloyds bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.